So what's happening in Rwanda? The grounds of the Rwanda Military Academy in Gako transformed into an outstanding high-octane spectacle on the 12th of August 2026 as the Rwanda Defense Force RDF Chief of Defense Staff General M.K. Mubarak presided over a graduation ceremony that felt less like a standard military review and more like a scene ripped directly from a Hollywood action blockbuster. Spectators watched in Hatta, who has 146 highlighted forces and other ranks, showcased the combination of 7 weeks of relentless high-intensity military police training conducted in partnership with the Qatar Armed Forces. The visceral impact of the live-action tactical demonstration left even seasoned observers stunned, revealing an astonishing level of tactical mastery, physical endurance, and lethal precision. From the opening moments, the live demonstrations unfolded with pulse-pounding intensity, dashed whirled into the air as convoy formations breached simulated danger zones, executing lightning-fast VIP protection operations under simulated heavy enemy fire. Tactical operatives swarmed the constructed urban environments, executing complex breaching maneuvers and counter-terrorism drills that showcase flawless room clearing techniques and surgical close quarters combat skills. The crowd leaned in with heightened adrenaline as the graduates demonstrated combat in built-up areas, moving as synchronized units through smoke-filled corridors and urban choke points. Complementing the lethal force exhibits were formidable anti-riot formations where ironclad discipline and unbreakable shield walls neutralized simulated hostile crowds with dramatic authority. Observing this breathtaking display of force from the main pavilion was a distinguished delegation led by the ambassador of the state of Qatar to Rwanda, His Excellency Mansour Ali Al-Hajri, alongside senior cadre officials and a formidable assembly of RDF generals and senior officers. The visual contrast between the formal review stand and the fiery explosions, tactical maneuvers, and intense discipline on the drill field underscored the strategic value of this bilateral partnership. The 7-week training curriculum forged through deep defense cooperation between Rwanda and Qatar delivered far more than a routine instruction. It forged an exceptionally capable unit prepared to handle complex modern security challenges. What made the exhibition truly mind-boggling was the fluid mastery with which these 146 graduates shifted between delicate tactical protection and overwhelming tactical intervention, mastering high-stakes disciplines like VIP security, urban combat, counterterrorism operations, and crowd control within a condensed 7-week window is a massive undertaking. Yet, the seamlessly executed drills bore all the hallmarks of allied units. Every movement was characterized by explosive drive balanced by razor-sharp operational control. Weapons handling appeared completely instinctual. Communication was instantaneous, and spatial awareness in chaotic simulated scenarios was extraordinary. The joint collaboration between RDF leadership and their Qatari partnership clearly pushed these services members to the peak of modern military police tradecraft. As General M.K. Mubarak officially commanded the newly minted military police specialist, the atmosphere at Gako remained electric with the lingering intensity of a theatrical masterpiece. The event stood as a breathtaking testament to the growing strategic synergy between Rwanda and Qatar, setting a high standard for specialized military instruction. For those privileged enough to witness the dramatic maneuvers firsthand, the graduation was not merely a ceremonial passing of standards, but an unforgettable cinematic declaration of strategic readiness, professional toughness, and raw military excellence.